In our next junior number video, we're going to talk about finding the percentage of a quantity. And there are two parts to this video. The first one is what I suppose some people would say an old-fashioned long way. And if you get onto percentage of a quantity number 2, hopefully we're going to show you a slightly quicker way that some of you will learn. Right, straight into example. Example number 1, we're going to find 30% of $400. Some schools don't allow calculators, or some students prefer to learn it without a calculator to really test their mental skills and do well. So this example is what you might want to do if you don't have a calculator. So find 30% of $400. Well, percent means out of 100. So we're finding 30 out of 100 of 400. Now the word of in mathematics is multiply or times, so we're going to go 30 over 100 times 400. Now take a look at this number 400. Any number can be written as a number over 1, so we can turn it into a fraction. So the number 400 is going to be written as 400 over 1. 400 over 1 is still 400. So now we've got two fractions to multiply. And remember, we multiply fractions by going top times top, numerator times numerator, bottom times bottom. So we're going to go 30 times 400 and 100 times 1. So 30 times 400, 3 times 4 is 12, and there are 3 zeros, and 100 times 1 is 100. So we've finally got 12,000 divided by 100, and that'll simplify down by cancelling some zeros down to 120 over 1. 120 over 1 is just 120. So our final answer is $120. Right, that was an example without a calculator, and it's quite complex. If you want to learn it or need to learn it, go back and review that and just practice that until you feel good. Let's get into some examples with calculators. Right, we're going to do exactly the same problem. Example 2, find 30% of 400. So percent means out of 100. So 30 out of 100 of 400. Of means to multiply or times. So 30 out of 100 times 400. And then just remember this fraction means divide. You know that. A fraction sign means divide. So we're going to go 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 400. So grab our calculator. 30 divided 100 times 400 gives us $120. Right, example 3. Another example with a calculator. Find 12.5% of $600. So this is what we do. We say to ourselves, percent means out of 100, so it's 12.5 over 100 of 600. We know of means times, so now we just need to remember that the divide sign for a fraction, so we go 12.5 divide 100 multiply by 600, grab our calculator, 12.5 divide 100 times 600, and that gives us our answer, which is $75. All right, thanks very much for watching.